So today I'm going to talk to you about using the snipping tool to make screen captures. So I often use them for doing items like G-Metrix where I want you to get a test score, or sometimes just playing some of the different games we do on different websites. So to get a test score, here is how you do a screenshot. So first things first, if you've already taken the test, you can go and you can look at completed tests. And it'll pull them up, and you'll notice I have different ones depending on what I'm doing. So in this case, let's go get PowerPoint Project Review 3. So as you see, a 93.5, I did pretty good on this one. But the purpose of this is really, how are we going to capture this so we can submit it as a JPEG file? Now, we have two tools we can use. The first tool, which is an older tool, is just called the snipping tool. So to get to the snipping tool, you're going to go to the Start button, and you're just going to type SNI, and this is your snipping tool right here. Go ahead, pull it up, and it's a very simple interface. You literally just hit New, you just draw a box, and in this case, I want to make sure you give me your name, as well as what test it is, and whether or not you pass, so your score. So you're going to give me a snip of something that looks like this. Now, once you have the snip, you can go ahead and save it. So you can go File, Save As, and you can save it as a JPEG, or you could save it as a PNG, a GIF file, or even a simple HTML file. I would avoid that, but definitely a JPEG. So JPEG is what I like to use, and you can go ahead and hit Save. Now, for me, myself, I am not going to use that. Instead, we're going to go ahead, we're going to close this. I'm going to show you another tool that we have, and this is called the Snip and Sketch tool. Now, the Snip and Sketch tool you can get using a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is the Windows key, Shift, and S at the same time. And when I do that, you'll notice my screen goes dark, and it says I am ready to take a snip. So in this case, I am going to draw a box around the score, and I have my snip, and you notice what it says. It is saved to my clipboard. So when it's on my clipboard, there are several different things I can do. If I open up a program like Word, I could just paste that image right in there, or I can select here to mark up and share the image. So let me go ahead, let's pull this up. Now the markup functions, let's just say I wanted to highlight my score or something like that. I could literally click Highlighter. I could choose the size, and I could start highlighting items. Now obviously I can read the score, but if you want to highlight, that's fine. When you're done, you can go ahead and just save this file. So you're going to click up here on the little save icon, Save As, and again you get the choice of a PNG, JPEG, or GIF file. So you can choose either one. My preference is always for JPEG. Save it and submit it to me. So that is how you use the snipping tool.